Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is if x to the power 3 plus 1 over x to the power 3 is equal to 970, then find the value of x minus 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 6 times x minus 8. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation. So student, our given equation is x to the power 3 plus 1 over x to the power 3 is equal to 970. So student, in this equation on the left hand side here is x to the power 3 plus 1 over x to the power 3, and on the right hand side here is 970. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 is equal to a plus b whole to the power 3 minus 3 times ab times a plus b. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side of this equation x plus 1 over x whole to the power 3 minus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 970. So after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation x plus 1 over x whole to the power 3 minus, in the place of second term we can cancel x from numerator and denominator. Then in the place of second term we can write in here 3 times x plus 1 over x is equal to, again we have to write 970 on the right hand side of this equation. So after that we have to transpose 970 from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes x plus 1 over x whole to the power 3 minus 3 times x plus 1 over x minus 970 is equal to 0. Let x plus 1 over x is equal to z. Then the equation will becomes z to the power 3 minus 3 times z minus 970 is equal to 0. So after that we can write on the left hand side z to the power 3 minus 3 times z. So student, in the place of minus 970 we can write minus 1000 plus 30 is equal to, again have to write 0. So now we can write on the left hand side of this equation z to the power 3 minus 1000 minus 3 times z plus 30 is equal to 0. So after that student, on the left hand side we can write in here z to the power 3 minus, in the place of 1000 we can write in here 10 to the power 3 minus, so student, on the left hand side of this equation 3 is the factor of last two terms. So now we can write from the last two terms 3 times z minus 10 is equal to 0. So student, after that, according to this formula we can write from the first two terms z minus 10 times z square plus 10z plus 10 square, that is 100, minus, again we have to write 3 times z minus 10 is equal to 0. So student, on the left hand side of this equation in both terms, z minus 10 is present. Now we can take common z minus 10 from both terms. So we can write from the left hand side of this equation z minus 10 times z square plus 10z plus 100 minus 3 is equal to 0. Student, after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation z minus 10 times z square plus 10z plus 97 is equal to 0. So student, according to zero product rule, we can write from this equation z minus 10 is equal to 0 and z square plus 10z plus 97 is equal to 0. So student, from first equation we get z is equal to 10. So student, again we have to put the value of z in this equation. So student, z means x plus 1 over x is equal to 10. So student, now we can write from this equation x square plus 1 is equal to 10x. Student, comparing equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get, so in the place of a here is 1. Okay, so the value of a will be 1, the value of b is 10 and the value of c is 97. So student, we have to check the nature of root of this equation. So now we have to apply the formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So now we have to put the value of a, b and c on the right hand side of this equation. So now we can write from the right hand side 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 97. So 10 square, that means 100 minus 4 times 1 times 97, that means 388. That is minus 288, which is less than 0. That means d less than 0. So student, it is clear that this equation has no real solution. Okay, so student, now we can write from this algebraic expression x minus 2 times x minus 8 times x minus 4 times x minus. So after that we can write from this algebraic expression x square minus 8x. So student, if you multiply x minus 2 with x minus 8, then you get x square minus 8x minus 2x plus 16. And similarly, we have to multiply x minus 4 with x minus 6. And we get x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 24. So student, after that we get from first algebraic expression x square minus 10x plus 16 times, we get from this algebraic expression x square minus 10x plus 24. So now we can put the value of x square minus 10x is equal to minus 1 in both algebraic expression. So now we get minus 1 plus 16 times minus 1 plus 24. So now we can write, So student, minus 1 plus 16, that is 15, times minus 1 plus 24, that is 23. So student, if you multiply 23 with 15, then you get 345. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.